Hi and welcome back to Heaven of Aromas. I have decided to make series of essential oil videos so that you can come to know how essential oils actually work. And I had received multiple requests from number of people which made me make all these videos for you. So I have decided to make one essential oil video every week so that you are not overwhelmed with the knowledge, and I'm not going to get into the chemistry of essential oils in this series of videos because I want to keep it simple. It will be easier for people to understand it. But if in case you are interested in getting to know more about essential oils and how essential oil chemistry works, you can send me a private message and we can take things further from there. This week I am going to start with lavender essential oils from Bulgaria. So here I have lavender essential oil with me, which is from Bulgaria. Its botanical name is Lavandula angustifolia. I will tell you about the therapeutic properties of lavender essential oil. It is much more than you can imagine. Antiseptic. Lavender oil is known for its antiseptic properties, means it has capabilities to kill bacteria and germs which leads to infection. Analgesic. That means it has some pain relieving properties as a painkiller. It can be used as a painkiller. Antidepressant. As the name says, it is good for treating depression, and inhalation of lavender essential oil is very relaxing and calming to the mind and nervous system. Antifungal. Lavender essential oil has some antifungal properties. Anti-inflammatory, as the name says, it reduces inflammation in the body. Antiviral. It makes it highly effective for the treatment of wounds and prevention of infections. Carminator. It is good for digestion and has some carminator properties. Decongestant. Inhalation of lavender essential oil helps loosen phlegm in the respiratory tracts. So its antibacterial, antiviral properties helps fight cold and respiratory infections. Deodorant. Thanks to its pleasing aroma and antibacterial properties, which makes it effective as a deodorant. Sedative. Connected to lavender's power to induce relaxation and calming effects, make it a powerful natural sedative. At the end, I am going to give you an essential oil blend which you can use while sleeping. Personally, it's one of my favorite blend and I use it every night while going to sleep. Here it goes, like 4 drops of neroli essential oil, 2 drops of lavender essential oil, and 4 drops of cedarwood essential oil. If you are wondering about what neroli and cedarwood are, don't worry about that because I will be making a different video for them. All you need to do is to subscribe to my channel to keep yourself updated and keep me motivated. Any questions or suggestions or feedback, kindly use the comment section below. I will see you next week.